Hi, and welcome to Relaxing Vibes. Ever wondered how gemstones or crystals might play a role in your well-being? Picture this: a world where the simple act of holding a stone could potentially balance your energy, promote relaxation, or even attract abundance. This is the world of gemstone therapy or crystal healing, a practice steeped in ancient wisdom and modern fascination. For thousands of years, cultures around the globe have revered these natural wonders, attributing to them an array of metaphysical properties. Today, this tradition continues to thrive, despite limited scientific backing. Instead, it's fueled by a steadfast belief in the power of these stones to influence our lives in profound ways. From the soothing energy of an amethyst to the love-inspiring vibrations of rose quartz, each gemstone is believed to possess its unique energy signature, resonating with us on a deep, often spiritual level. Stay tuned as we dive into the unique properties of some well-known gemstones. Let's start our gemstone journey with amethyst and rose quartz. First, we have amethyst, a gemstone renowned for its calming and soothing nature. This beautiful stone is often used as a balm for the spirit, promoting relaxation and a sense of balance. It's as if the stone whispers to your soul, encouraging spiritual growth and a deep sense of tranquility. It's like a cup of chamomile tea for the soul, helping to still the waters of your inner turmoil and bring about a serene equilibrium. Then we have rose quartz, often referred to as the stone of love. This gem is believed to radiate a gentle energy that nurtures the heart. It's like a warm embrace, promoting love, compassion, and emotional healing. It's a generous stone, always ready to lend an ear and a comforting vibe. While these stones might differ in color, they both serve to bring about peace and emotional balance. Moving on to citrine and clear quartz, two gemstones known for their powerful energies. Let's start with citrine, a gemstone that shines with the brilliance of the sun. Widely associated with abundance and prosperity, citrine is believed to be a magnet for wealth and success. It's as if this stone, with its vibrant yellow hues, captures the essence of golden opportunity, channeling positive energy and opening doors to prosperity. Imagine it as a beacon, drawing in all the good vibes and opportunities for success. Now let us turn our attention to clear quartz. Often referred to as the master healer, clear quartz stands as a pillar of light in the world of gemstones. This crystal is believed to amplify energy, cleanse negativity, and enhance spiritual growth. It's like a spiritual amplifier, turning up the dial on positive energy and turning down the volume on negativity, aiding in your spiritual journey. These stones, in their unique ways, serve to amplify positivity and success in our lives. Next up, we have selenite and black tourmaline, stones known for their cleansing and protective properties. Starting with selenite, this gem is often employed as a spiritual vacuum cleaner, sweeping away negative energy and mental clutter. It's believed to instill a sense of peace and clarity, fostering a tranquil mind and an atmosphere primed for spiritual connection. On the other hand, we have black tourmaline, a stone that stands as a sentinel of protection. Its reputation as a spiritual bodyguard isn't for naught. This stone is believed to absorb negative energy like a sponge, replacing it with a grounded, secure feeling. It's like an energetic shield, warding off the unwanted and promoting a sense of safety and stability. Together, these stones form a dynamic duo. Selenite, with its purifying qualities, and black tourmaline, with its protective essence, create a harmonious balance. These stones serve as our spiritual guardians, cleansing our energy fields and shielding us from negativity. Lastly, let's explore the majestic Lapis Lazuli. This gem, with its deep celestial blue, is as captivating as the night sky. Lapis Lazuli is often associated with truth and wisdom, a beacon for those seeking enlightenment. It's a gemstone that has been cherished since ancient times, esteemed not just for its beauty, but for its ability to stimulate the higher mind and enhance intellectual ability. Lapis Lazuli is also known for fostering effective communication. It's a stone of truth, encouraging honesty of the spirit, and in the spoken and written word. This makes it a wonderful stone for journalists, executives, or anyone who must rely on clear, articulate communication. Moreover, this gem is believed to enhance intuition and provide greater insight. It's often used to unlock mysteries, enabling inner vision and the attainment of wisdom. If you're seeking to deepen your understanding of yourself and the world around you, Lapis Lazuli might just be your guide. Lapis Lazuli, with its deep celestial blue, serves as a key to spiritual enlightenment. Now that we've learned about these gemstones, how can we incorporate them into our lives? As it turns out, There are several ways to use these precious stones to harness their unique properties. One common method involves placing gemstones on various parts of the body. This is often done in accordance with the chakra system, an ancient Indian concept that views the body as having 7 main energy centers. For instance, you might place an amethyst on your forehead to stimulate your third eye chakra and promote spiritual growth, or a rose quartz near your heart to foster love and compassion. Gemstones can also be used in meditation. Holding a stone like clear quartz in your hand can help to amplify your energy and intentions, making your meditative practice even more powerful. Similarly, the grounding properties of black tourmaline may help you to stay focused and present during your meditation. Wearing gemstones as jewelry is another popular approach. This allows you to carry their energy with you throughout the day. For example, a citrine pendant might be worn to attract wealth and success, while a Lapis Lazuli bracelet could enhance communication and intuition. Lastly, you can use gemstones to create energy grids or arrangements. These are often used to promote specific intentions or goals. For example, a grid of selenite crystals might be set up in your home to cleanse and purify the energy. Now, it's important to remember that individual experiences with crystal healing can vary. What works for one person may not work for another. The key is to trust your intuition and use gemstones in a way that resonates with you personally. These stones are not magic bullets, but tools that can help you to focus your energy and intentions. Remember, the power of these gemstones lies not just in their physical beauty, but in their ability to resonate with our personal energy and intentions. So explore, experiment, and find the gemstones that speak to your spirit. You never know, you might just discover a new favorite way to promote balance and well-being in your life. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.